Hey, my name is Anthony Alberry, the General Manager here at Nalley Hyundai and Collision Center in Lithonia, Georgia. I just want to let you know that when your feet hit the floor every morning, you look in that mirror that you're looking at a winner. And don't let anybody tell you anything different. They said Nalley Hyundai was too small. They said Nalley Hyundai wasn't in the best location. They said Nalley Hyundai would never be a contender in the Atlanta market. The list just went on and on and on. What they didn't know was the team at Nalley Hyundai didn't believe any of that. What they believed was if they could conceive it, then they could achieve it. We believe by offering our customers the best guest-centric experience in the automotive industry, in combination with never, ever giving up on ourselves in the face of adversity, we could accomplish anything. Now Nalley Hyundai is recognized as one of the leaders in the Atlanta market, has one of the highest customer satisfaction ratings in the state, and is one of the largest certified pre-owned Hyundai dealerships in the nation. That's right, the nation. So the next time that somebody tries to tell you what's impossible, you let them know that you're possible. The next time somebody tries to tell you what you can't do, you look them right between the eyes and let them know what you can do. It's your dream, it's not their dream. It's your goal, it's not their goal. And don't let anybody tell you different. Hey, and if you're ever in the market for a newer pre-owned vehicle, come stop by Nalley Hyundai or visit us at nalleyhyundai.com. We love an opportunity to earn your business. Be great.